on the ECM there that shows all the pin out there. So if you guys want to see on the 2007 all the pin out, hopefully that helps you guys. So this first one here is harness T11B, sorry, connector 824, which I think is this one here. And there's the pinouts there. Okay. And then for the connector C24, which is the little bit longer one, here it is right there, all the colors and all the pinouts there if you need it. There's also a humming thing underneath this. So yeah.